Okay, so what are we here to do?
We are here for me to pass off my 2013 goal. I will be performing for you a cartwheel.
All right, and now why a cartwheel?
That was my goal last year, and now that I think about it, I have no clue why I said that, because that's hard. But I've been working out with a personal trainer, pumping up, and I'm ready to perform it at Sky Zone.
All right. I think Mom is maybe regretting her decision. I know.